All right, guys, you're welcome to La Prinzo World Academy. I want to congratulate you for making it up to this place because it is not easy. Most people they see advertisement on Facebook, on social media, but they don't have time to go through the advertisement to know what it actually meant. Perhaps you've been trading forex and you don't be making money from the forex market, or you're a complete beginner, you're very new to forex and you want to make money from the forex market because forex market is a very, I want to use very lucrative market. If you can learn how to trade the financial market, I mean, apart from forex, cryptocurrency, indices, all these financial markets, if you can learn how to trade them, my brother starts watching this video, I can guarantee you, you master them. It's not a get rich quick business. Let me just be frank with you. It's not that you come to learn forex today and you want to make millions of dollars today. And that's the reason why most people don't get it right in trading. But if you're here and you want to make consistent profit, you want to build wealth, with this business. And the beauty about trading is that you can trade while you are still doing any other business. Trading is not something that stops you. For instance, you're a banker, for instance, you're a politician, for instance, you're a musician. Trading does not stop you from doing any business you are doing. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you few, just maybe one or two techniques on how I understand the market and how I trade. I'm not using any indicator. I'm not using any robot. This is pure price action. And I'm telling the truth. If you apply this method of trading, all right, to your trading life, to your trading, you'll be losing money in trading. Use this method. And also, what I'm going to be showing you in the course, you are going to liberate yourself from trading the financial market. And in this academy, we'll talk so much on mindset development with the skill set you're going to learn, all right, with the skill set you're going to learn, and then you add it to the mindset development aspect of this training because your mind, I say it every time, your mind will determine your success. The Bible says, as a man thinketh in his heart. What is going to guarantee you in this training, in this journey of success, is number one, your mind got to be right. You have to have the right mindset. Number two, you must have the right habit. All right, you must have a good habit. Number three, you have to have character. Character. If these three things are not complete, all right, if you don't have these three things, just like, you know, uh, trying to drive a car with one leg and one arm. And I'm sure most mentors out there don't emphasize on this aspect of your life. This you are the root of your success. Your success in trading or whatever you want to do in your life depend on these three things. So you have to focus on that. If you add the mindset development that we have on this academy with the skill set you're going to learn, right? I can guarantee you, give yourself 3 months, give yourself 6 months at most. You are going to call me and say, "Sir, you have completely changed my life, both mindset and skill set." Because here in La Prinzo will give you the right mindset and then will give you the skill set, how you can trade this market without stress. See, everybody I have introduced this particular way of trading will just come to say, "Sir, my trading life has completely changed. I knew nothing about forex trading. I knew nothing about crypto trading, but today you have completely changed my trading." So I want you to watch this video to the end. Don't just jump out. So let's briefly, it's not going to be a too long video, but let me show you quickly how I trade this market so you can understand how it works. So first of all, this is euro. This is a US USSU SAUSSD. This is gold for those of you who are trading gold. So the first thing, the very first thing I want to do, if I look at my chart, the first thing I want to do is to look at my chart, and the first thing is to look at the monthly time frame. All right, now why am I looking at the monthly time frame? Because you are trading with experts, you are trading with banks, you are trading with financial institutions. So these guys are not looking at 1 hour, 2 hours like most people do. All right, so you want to see the monthly time frame. What is this market? Where is this market going to? Clearly, by looking at the monthly time frame, I will identify turning points. I call them zones. These are zones that price usually turn back. This is where price, the interest of this bourgeois, this financial institution, this is where they have interest. and you can see these places of interest of these financial institutions on monthly, all right? And then I will scale it back to, I'll bring it back to also weekly. I'm not going to trade on this monthly time frame, right? I'm going to lock it now, and I will bring it back to also weekly time frame. So let's go to the weekly time frame. I have mapped out these places. You can see clearly, all right, clearly that this is July 2020. Price got to that point and it went all the way down. Look at here again. This was March 7, 2022. Price got there and it went all the way down. So you have to map out these places. You have to map out these places. This is not that after mapping out this place that you're going to trade with just mapping out this place, right? No, I'm going to show you something. Now, you're going to, this is zones, all right? So they are not straight line. Yeah, they are not straight line. These are zones, areas. You want to see them as zones. They're not seeing them as straight lines. So for this example, this is a clear zone, all right? This is where price has touched, and you can see that there is a massive reaction. This will work for all the markets, For instance, this is a very tight zone. Now, price is at the moment, price is coming down to this zone. So what do? Your interest is if price comes down to this zone, possibly, most likely price will continue to buy. Even if it's not going to buy for a while, even if price is going to break through this zone, which I'm going to show you when the breakout happen, how to treat that breakout, right? Now, this is the zone. Let me map up another one again. Uh, this is another zone. How do you know? How do you identify zones? How do you identify zones? Very simple. Very simple. You look at the past. Let me log this then. Look at the past. What prices have done in the past. If you go back like this now, clearly you can see that March 2021, this was a zone. And zones can be old zones. It can be zones that held 10 years ago. Look at the past. In the past too, you can see that these places, let me go back. It can be a year ago, it can be 5 years ago. All right. So you have to go back to see that these are places. Obviously, for this one, even without going far to the far back history, you can identify that this place is a very strong zone. Look at there, there was a point, this was March, right? It got to this point and this zone and price got rejected because this is where the people who are market makers, they have interest. And when you see volume coming, people, for instance, people are buying, once they get to this point of interest, they take their profit. And when they take their profit, what happens? Price collapses. So you want to take note of these zones first. Open your chart. The first thing you should do is to identify this turning point. And how do you identify this turning point? You use a higher time frame. Use weekly time frame to identify this turning. I started with monthly. You can see that I started with monthly. You can even make this thing line chart. All right. Let me show you what I mean by line chart. If you look at this place, this is trading view. You can use trading view to, if you look at line chart also identify this zone, these zones for you to see clearly. All right. So let me just use the candlestick because I'm very used to candlestick patterns. All right. Now you can see that price has been touching this zone. Now price is approaching this zone. What happened? Most likely it will have a rejection. So what do you do when price gets to this point? You are going to be preparing yourself, not that price get there immediately you buy. Sometimes you can even buy aggressively because it's just like these zones are just like I call them hot fry pan, in the sense that when price approaches these zones, it's just that when you're touching a hot fry pan, when you touch a hot fry pan, your hand get burned, right? So if price gets to this point, it's like hot fry pan. It will get rejected because these are zones. So you use a higher time frame to identify these zones. Look at another one again here. This is a zone. All right, it's a zone. So zones are places where price has touched and bounce back repeatedly. So you go to the daily time frame as well. Now, even the daily time frame, you can see that all these places I have mapped out, they are places price has touched and bounced back. Imagine you were making the buying decision here, you're selling decisions here. You can imagine how many pips you make all the way down here, all the way down here. So this is gold. Now gold has gotten to a place, it's turned, and there's what we call minor zone. So let me also see minor zone. So let me use I'm going to find out minor zones. There are major, these are major zones, right? But there are also what to call minor zones in the market. So now gold is coming to this zone. It's coming to this zone. Look at here. It was the same zone that it got rejected some time ago. So gold is coming to this zone. Now, this is just one of the ways I trade, identifying the zones. When you get to the academy, you're going to learn more on how to take place a trade, how to buy and sell, because I cannot use just one video to show you how candlestick patterns that you're supposed to identify. There are good candlestick patterns that you can use, which is not going to be on this video. You're going to make the video too lengthy. So this is how you identify the zones. So this is for the gold USD. Now I've come down to daily time frame. Remember, I started with monthly. So let me even go to 4 hours to see. Now you're going to be making your decisions, your trading decisions based on lower time frame. All right. Now I told about minor zones, and you can see that this one here is a minor zone. It's a minus zone. Why? Because I'm using a smaller time frame. You can see the price got here, it got rejected. This is a minus zone, but it's very, very important. There was a time it got here and it got rejected. All right. So this place become support. Look at it here. It was coming down, and once it got here, it got rejected and went all the way up. These are all minus zones. So this is how you map out your trade without any indicator. Without any indicator, I call this also top-down analysis. You start your chart from the upside. Now this is where your interest of selling is. Why this is where your interest of buying is. And if price eventually wants to break to this zone, usually do like this. You don't have to just buy, all right? Price may come down here, It can go back or breaks. Once it breaks, do you just sell? No. You allow price to come back, right? If you come back here to test this zone, and then probably like this. So in the course, I'm going to show you more how these things happen. If you come to, let me show you indices. This is volatility indices for those of you trade indices. This is indices. The same principles apply for indices. The same principles apply for indices. If you can see my chart here, you are seeing that I am not using any indicator. I'm using just just plain chart. Let me take you to daily time frame. Even in the daily now, you have to first of all start with the daily time frame. Now, daily time frame here, this place is clearly, you can see that this is a zone. So what happened in a zone? Remember, zones are places price has touched and bounced back repeatedly. Look at it here. Here is a zone. How do I know? History. You just go back to history. So this is, let's go back. Look at here. It's very, very, so what do? You think about selling opportunities when price get to this zone. All right, look at this down here. This particular line here is a zone. So what do you anticipate? You anticipate buy, like now price is reject. This is daily time frame. This is daily time frame right now. If I bring it back to maybe 30 minutes or 1 hour, all right, you can see that price got to this point. There was a time it got to this point, it went all the way up. Now it's getting rejected as well. All right, so I can map out these zones even with lower time frame. Even with lower time, it works with all time frame. Even 5 minutes time frame, you can identify your zone. But the major thing is to use higher time frames to identify these zones so that you can use small time frame to trade them. So in this course, I'm going to be showing you, this is just an introduction of what you can learn. So I'm going to be showing you, yeah, this is the course here. This is the courses here. Introduction, talk about forex mastery. Forex and crypto mastery introduction. Then you learn about mindset. Like I told you before, you need to, forex trading is all about, not apart from forex trading, life is about your mind. If you don't have the right mindset, you cannot learn anything. you cannot become successful. So we don't joke with this mindset development. So you're going to go through this mind. This is the first video you're going to watch. Once you make payment right now. If you take it to this page, all right, and you start with this mindset development. After mindset development, this is crypto courses, Forex Master. Okay, Forex Mastery. I have 28 videos, 28 videos, guys. Now, even if you're a complete beginner, even if you're a complete beginner, you will learn what is Forex. You create your account, of course, with if you want to trade indices, you have to create your account with deriv.com. The link is there. Create Forex account also with my recommended broker. Then you how to create Deriv account. You watch this video to guide you on that, and then you watch what is PIP, how to place a trade, pending order. This is for complete beginners. So this course is not just for advanced students, but are for students who are new, completely new. Candlestick for beginners, leverage and trading window, types of order, trading analysis, types of analysis rather. Now we come to risk management because you need to learn how to manage your risk, how to use trading view, right? Support and resistance, how to trade support and resistance, how to draw your trend line, how to trade in the trend market. See, trading is how to trade with Fibonacci, understanding market structure, simple price action, guys. If you go through these videos, all right. Now we also have books that you can download because as you're learning, you are also given books to read, right? So these are videos, our books here, about 7 books. That download these books, about 7 books for you to read. You have all these books to guide you. This is Think and Grow Rich for your mind. Candlestick Bible, a great book. The Secret of V75 Trading is a great book. These are all the books that will be given to you free. We also have Forex courses, all right? Crypto courses. These are crypto courses that you can, if you are completely new to crypto, how to create Binance account, how to trade on Binance P2P, how to create Bitcoin wallet with blockchain, how to create perfect money account. So, guys, this course is loaded. We also have digital marketing courses for those of you who are selling things online. So you have a lot to the money you're being charged for this course is just a token, just encourage young people from doing something legitimately with their time. So guys, the course is loaded. This is what you need. Don't have to go and be spending money on giving money to people to trade for you. If you go through this course, like I say every day, you go through this course for 3 months and you don't get value for your money, kindly contact us. The WhatsApp number is there. Kindly contact us and we'll give you back your money. That is 100% money back to you. So click the link below. Then it will take you to your payment gateway. Pay for the course. Use your card and pay. Once you pay, it will take you to a page where you now get access to confirm. Once you make payment, it will take you to a thank you page where you click sign up. Once you click sign up, it will now bring you to this place where you can log into this course anytime. You can be in your office and be watching. This is something I have spent over 5 years of my time to learn this skill set. And today, by the grace of God, this course has changed the lives of a lot of people. So it is your time to change with this course. Your time to change. You're going to learn how to program your mind for success. You're going to learn how to set goals. You're going to learn how to read books to program your mind for success every single day. You're going to learn how to listen to something positive every single day. And then above all, you're going to learn how to trade the financial market like a pro. Easy and simple way of trading the financial market. So guys, I want to congratulate you for getting on board. So I'll see you in the class. Once you get to this place, you also see where to join our Telegram group. So ensure that you join our Telegram group. Once you click, if I scroll down here, you see this is where to join Telegram group. If you click here, you will join our community where we have people who are students like you who are making money, and there they post their result. We share trading ideas and also send signals once for students who are still learning how to trade. So guys, I see you. Bye for now.